What's up, Pictures Rolling fam? Back with another vlog, and we're playing bingo today, y'all.
Yes, night.
So it's game night tonight.
So you want to turn the other light on? Yeah.
So we'll be playing bingo.
Bingy.
Bingy. It's bingo, y'all.
I know.
B-I-N-G-O. I want 2 cards.
There you go.
I'm trying to put it in the middle.
Your daddy get 2 cards.
I want 1.
Yeah.
Oh, this in your face?
No, it got 2 on the back.
Well, I'm gonna play one side. I can't play both sides at a time.
Daddy, you want to?
You only can pick one side.
Put the ball down, put the ball in.
I'm gonna be calling the numbers. Okay.
They double-sided.
Oh, so
if you wanted to flip it over and play that side the next round, you could.
yeah, you can.
How many cards are there? 2, 4, 6 cards? No. Let me see.
There's a whole bunch of cards.
Oh.
I'm just gonna put them back in there. Yeah,
Put the bird in the cage.
y'all are gonna follow me on Instagram.
You gotta get these.
Alright.
Also, I get these 2 cards. These are. So I'll be going first. Oh, but
you gotta give us the little
checker thing, chips.
Here, I'm gonna just put them in the middle.
Put them in the middle.
We gonna get copyright.
There's somebody talking.
It ain't song.
Alright, put it in your free space. Here, let me come on.
Let me see how many you need. 1, 2,
Ooh, this
3,
thing
4,
heavy.
5.
I ain't gonna say you ain't gonna win, but hey, we're gonna figure out. You gotta roll it.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, y'all have to cover up. Oh, I ain't cover up my free space yet. Wait.
074.
Now you gotta put an 074 in the slot. 074. 074, y'all. I got 074.
Nope.
None of only man you forgot 074.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I agree.
The ball literally you dropped the bit.
You going the right way?
You gotta get the ball before it flip down in there.
Oh.
Keep on rolling it. You see it coming to the top?
I started rolling the wrong way.
The other way. It's the other way up. Oh, that's how I go. And it drops out. Ooh, that's cool. You said
it's okay if more than one drop out because you can't use but one at a time.
You got to go in a row. Like, yeah. So go ahead.
She the leader.
Woo! It fell.
She don't even know what it is.
Yes. Wait.
Okay. You can't.
G51.
But you can't play the board game part if you're gonna play that. G51?
Yep, G51.
Go,
I don't got 51.
Wait, G51.
I don't got 51. Y'all, I'm about to win. Got 1 right here. 2 right there.
Oh, Lord.
1 right
you
here.
keep doing too many.
I lost 1.
Neva's on looking like that, and it just meant Neva because Star Wars might be cheating. So she can't do it.
She can't cheat because
she playing the.
Come on, man, just get to the next one.
I lost 1.
Well, you can find it later.
Okay, Neva won.
Bingo.
She got bingo right across.
What bingo mean?
B in. No, I don't know.
Banana. Okay, clear your boards. Clear your boards.
But how you know if I won?
Yeah, you gotta count the numbers. Gee, that's the thing about looking out over here. You gotta count the numbers.
I gotta tell you what I had.
All right, what you got?
I got B6.
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 Right there.
I27.
I27 is right here.
N32.
N32 right here.
G60.
G60.
Right there.
And 070.
What G60 ain't covered? It rolled over though. I know it rolled over.
You had G60, didn't you?
Yeah. And what?
074.
074. Yeah, they rolled off, but yeah.
So that's how you do that, okay? So
yeah.
play boards. I'm not do it right. You wasn't focusing.
Bingo straight down.
Second round, bingo, straight down.
No, start over the mat.
And it's N42. Well, the free space, N35.
And she got all ends.
N41 and N43. Yep. Bingo.
Yep. All ends. Who get that? All the one letter.
With my name.
N. J Cat, you tired, huh?
Yep.
Hey man.
She been chasing her friends.
Need for one again, y'all.
I-22. I-22. In the free space, G59. G59. 074.
I don't want you to play bingo. I don't want you to play bingo with us anymore.
Well, why?
I just don't want you to.
Let me see your board. Move your head.
She mad because she's so she's okay.
Let me go to chocolate.
But this was,
you get the whooping out of this world.
She ain't crazy.
So y'all, we're playing Trouble. You in trouble.
Ooh.
I won bingo 3 times in a row.
And I'm mad. She
Well, we're gonna see who's gonna win this one.
we need to.
No man, y'all comment down below.
Who you think?
Y'all comment down below. She talking all this. Wait, the lighting is horrible. She talking all this smack, right? Let's play Fortnite, babe.
Look. No, they really want you to play Fortnite.
Because I don't know how to play.
We can teach you, but you don't want to do anything, even in your free.
Hey y'all, spam the comment. Y'all want Nifa to play on our gaming channel, PictureUsRolling 2, Fortnite. Y'all spam the comment. If y'all spam the comment, she gonna play.
I'm at swimming lessons. I'm in my bathing suit. We have the YMCA. And y'all can see.
Sorry, got it.
Yeah, of course I have them.
Oh, I didn't know.
But y'all, we gonna see me in the pool.
They're gonna start with y'all. So yeah, she just finished her swimming lessons.
She said there was probably 2 or 3.
Our anniversary tomorrow, y'all. A day away from our anniversary. We've been together for 7 years.
Oh,
So y'all, we're in Costco. I keep up with me. He love Costco. Oh, I'm vlogging. She looking at me like, what taking you so long? You looking like, what taking you so long? Y'all, this cool, y'all. This is a motorbike. See? It's like a motorbike. Electric bike. That's wrong. Was thinking about getting a star, but nah, sorry, we trying to go everywhere with it, so. Nope. That's enough. Oh. But yup. We catch up with Nifa. Oh, dude, she looking at y'all.
It's $69.
$60. There's more pieces, but it go by the weight. You got your muffler. You got your muffler. That's 62 right here.
Get 1 or 2.
I don't know, hold on one second. So yeah, it's quiet in here, y'all. It ain't too much traffic, surprisingly, on the Saturday. See? It's people in here, but it ain't a lot as usual. They might finna come like 12 o'clock. It's almost that time. But you're looking at the breakfast essentials.
I don't know the other one.
Oh.
The mocha coffee.
Oh, mocha coffee.
Cappuccino, see it in the purple?
Oh, we're talking about this. Oh, Starbucks, y'all. Got packed now. It's packed in here now. So we gotta go the other way. Some more peanuts. Oh, you talking about the one we had last time?
Yeah, but we tasted those.
Yeah, but they was so good though, like.
They was what?
Yeah, I won't mind it. These are good. These pecans are good, but this right here, whoo.
These are real good, y'all. The almonds is just a real hard one.
Hard, it's real hard, yeah. They got another flavor kind, honey.
Peanut.
Oh, no, we won't. See, I like the different variety one though.
I got another store to go to.
Alright, come on. Myers now. Music, music. Oh, we can make a medicine ball.
I already have the peach. I just needed Jane citrus.
So we're gonna show y'all how to I don't know in this vlog, not in this vlog probably, but we're gonna show y'all how to make y'all make a medicine ball. Starbucks famous medicine ball we're gonna do. But yeah. Who don't love chips? Flaming hot barbecue. Oh snap. Ooh, try these chips. Them things good.
Spicy cheddar.
Well yeah, y'all. Oh yeah, so I went in, well y'all know I was in the store. Even had to go use the restroom. But yeah, might be doing a mukbang. I don't know. But think about it. We think about it. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We waiting for a guy. It is free. And guess what? Hold up. Check out our gaming channel, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check out our gaming channel, cause sometimes I let her game by herself. Like y'all know, but I let all us game.
Soon enough, he's not gonna be gaming. It's just gonna be me and
I'm be gaming too, man. I'm hooked, man. Listen, I'm hooked on that Fortnite. I'm hooked.
Yeah, we got.
I'm so hooked with
Fortnite.
Fortnite, it's like it's ridiculous. I see why the kids get in there. Johnny, get off the game! No, Mom! Hey, that's me right now. Like they be like, come on, you ain't gonna get out the game. It's to the point that I got so stuck in the game. Nifa came in the house. I ain't say nothing. I just kept on playing. I was so zoomed out. And it's like, you know, you ain't say nothing to me. You ain't tell me how my day was or none of that. So I'm like, ooh, I'm tripping, boy. I'm losing it. Hey, but let me tell y'all, note the people. You got to balance your life. You got to balance your life.
Just keep playing Fortnite.
No, not. It ain't just about. It's about anything. You can be on your phone too much. And you still gotta balance your life. You gotta balance school, you gotta balance your quiet time, you gotta balance all that. It goes no, it ain't no fighting the way, be on your phone all the time. All you do is be on your phone. Cause when you go around in public, just pay attention. Everybody on their phone. You pay attention, something can tragically happen, you feel me? Not to speak no bad things, but I'm just saying, you gotta be an observer, you gotta be on point. Somebody could be plotting on you. And y'all know these stimulus checks coming in, and a lot of people gonna be like, yeah, they're gonna be balling out of control. The music, they're gonna be balling out of control, doing this and doing that. Eat, y'all. Invest your money wisely. And be smart. Do smart investment. Invest in yourself, something. You feel me?
Don't smell the top of your lip. Like
I'm not smelling on top of my lip. Cause y'all know the pollen in the air, it got my sinus over it. It's different from the city to country.
This is the country.
Like we country city, but boy deep in the country. But I mean, y'all get what I'm saying though. But yeah. Y'all go. But we gotta balance everything out. But right now we just waiting on Nifa. So.
No, call her Nini.
You ain't calling her Neef.
I did not mean to.
Neef for my wife, bae. That's for me.
Honey, why y'all never say honey?
We don't say honey because that's not our thing.
No.
We don't say it like everybody else. Oh, you say honey? No, we say bae. The bae I call my bae is B-E. No, B-A-E. I call her bae. That's how I call her bae. I don't call her bae like everybody else say bae. But
down with the bae.
Yeah.
Down with the bae.
We gonna keep y'all. Alright, y'all, we just made it home. I'm gonna do a show grocery haul. This is gonna be Costco's, Myers, but we mostly got everything from Costco. We only bought one thing from Myers, and that was a box of crackers, some sushi. Oh, where the sushi at?
Somewhere in there.
Hold on one second. I'm gonna get it for y'all. Hold on one second. Okay, y'all, I'm back, y'all. So we got the sushi. This hat came from Myers. We had bought this sushi roll. That's the one with Ninfah wanted. And this the kind I wanted. Sushi roll. The California sushi combination. That's the one we got. Also these Costco eggs. We bought that from Costco's. Carton of eggs. I also got this butter right here. This is some good butter, good seasoned butter. Also we bought some peaches. Gotta have a fruits in. And also we bought some bubblegum fruit. As y'all can see, hold on, I got pictures of bubble fruit. So that is so good. The watermelon in it. So you get a chance, go grab one of those. Y'all see what we got. Some king crab. So we had bought some king crab for us. Also we had got some oranges. I love these. These things are so good. So we had bought some oranges. Now I gotta go over here. Now I had bought some lemon. So need some lemons. Also we got some good old Costco. This is from Costco. Also some Costco lemonade. Bought like 4 packs of those. Got some Costco oil. Some extra vinegar oil. And also we have the honey roasted nut mix. This is so good. So we had to get some of these. And that's about it, y'all. So that will be the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, be notified. We wait for God. It's free, cost you not a thing. I'm coming in here also. Show y'all. Oh, I'm sorry, but she ain't feeling well. That's Stara. It's dark though. Kick in the background though. But y'all, we about to end this vlog. Let's see our next vlog. Also check out our gaming channel, PictureUsRolling. What we finna get started on. Star Hat. That's her creator right there. Her avatar. But yeah, some will, some won't. So what? See y'all in the next video.